I wanted to say a couple things, and we will get you guys going. So first of all, welcome to our first annual Women in Trades boot camp here at OSS. We did the same thing at SOSS, what, about a month ago? Plus or minus?
Yeah.
And I think I mentioned to you before, but I'll say it again because I talked about it a little bit in the presentation thing. Women in trades are really underrepresented. When we think of what the trades are, when we think of things like mechanic, carpenter, welder, electrician, plumber, all of those kinds of things, when we think of traditional trades, women are really, really underrepresented in the masses. So what we wanted to do is we say, you know what, you guys here have all had, most of you have been in a shop in some way, shape, or form, in your grade 9 class, and even in grade 8, you've had a bit of a rotation. But what we're going to do is we figure, well, let's just get you in here at grade 10 and maybe spark an interest and pique your interest a little bit more about something else. So what we're going to be doing...
So close. Hey, look at that. There we go. How's it in here, girls? Well. Three, two, one. There we go.